Hey guys, it's Liz, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a false lash tutorial. So if you have gotten extensions before but you didn't like them, or say you can't get extensions, this is a great alternative to still have that full lash look but without breaking the bank. So I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how I apply my own lashes. I'll give you a backstory. I was wearing extensions for all of last year, and there's something about them that just like really itches my eye. I'm not a huge fan of them. Plus they're so dang expensive. So this is an alternative that I found to still have that luscious lash look without the cost of extensions. So if you're looking for a way to spice it up in the eye department, this video is for you. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Okay, let's get started.
So you want to start by applying your regular makeup. You want to put your makeup on before you apply any glue or lashes to your face. Just trust me on this one, okay? You'll have to save yourself a lot of time.
Good, nice and even, defining the eye. Okay, next step comes the lashes. This is the lash that I'm using today. I've linked it for you down below. This is a recommendation from Chalene Johnson, the one and only. She's been a mentor of mine for a long time. And that includes in the beauty department. I just came across these lashes. Normally I was getting the ones that you get at the like CVS or whatever, just like a pack of 6 of them, and I like to look for ones that are really, really big and dark. I like the dark ones. So I just clipped off a little bit off the end using a pair of scissors. Okay, and then I'm gonna look at it and you'll see that one edge flares a little bit. Oh, take a little bit of glue, just like this, dab it onto the edge there. Just coating the whole thing. See? The flared edge goes on the outer side, maybe blowing it. There it is. And I promise you'll get better at this as you go. Ooh. Girl. Cool, so that's that. Let's do this other one, eh? So I am going on vacation soon, which I'm really excited about. Going to Bali. I'm sure I'll be making videos about it, so check those out. Why am I going? Well, I like to reward myself for working very hard, and I've been working extremely hard, not only on Super Sister fitness content, but on building a side consultancy for video stuff and for helping people learn how to become YouTubers. So that's been keeping me busy. And I'm a big fan of work hard, play hard. Actually, I would say work smart, play often. It's a little bit of an upgrade to that old saying. Okay. Wow. Gorgeous. Can we just? Wow. What a difference. And then last but not least, I do the lower lash. So I like it because it's pink. I'm just gonna go in there and kind of touch those little lower lashes a bit. And there you have it. That is how to put on the perfect lash without breaking the bank. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button so that I know. If you want to see more tutorials like this, feel free to leave that in the comments down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.